everybody, it's GT4Gamer71 here, and today we're playing this game, Drivers San Francisco, and you guys did 2 likes on another Drivers San Francisco's video, so thank you very much for that. If you haven't already checked out that video, please click off now and go see that before you see this one, otherwise it could be a little weird. And yeah, I'm not sure if I should continue, but if you guys want me to continue, then drop 2 likes again, because it did not take too long to you guys to get 2 likes on the other video, so I think you guys can do it this time. So, believe in you guys, and let's go down there and click the thumbs up, and let's see if we can get it to 2 likes, and I'll do another one, and then I'll do more of these if you guys enjoy them. So, yeah, let's get right into it. So, last episode, you guys did not comment what I should get. So, this time, I got something more amazing that I couldn't afford before. So, keep your eyes open, guys.
Riding in your face, looking like I found a damn genie. Riding in my Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Bitch, I know you see me in my Lamborghini, Lamborghini. Ride so quick, you would think I'm Houdini. Been in the game since Namco. Bring it back, I fully got y'all. Vroom vroom in my brand new Lambo.
So this is the car, and I'm not sure if it's worth it, but it is pretty good. It's a Corvette Z06, and yeah, and I recorded this before, but I lost the footage.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
If you want to know how, I deleted it by accident.
No!
Yeah, it's not good. So, as you can see as you can see, I'll pop up later. As you can see, I got $28,000. Willpower at top right corner. You'll see that. You just saw it, and yeah, and because I was working on another video, but I deleted it by accident, so that's why I'm doing this one to do it again, I guess. So yeah, I'm not sure how much missions we'll do today, but might be 1. I don't know, because this is gonna be a little episode this time, because I don't want to make it too long. But let's go on the cop chase and let's warm up. See you later. Come on. Why are you not chasing me, cop? I destroyed my mirror. God, no. There you go. Try catch me, stupid. Slowpokes. You're no match for this Corvette Z06. No match. Might as well just lose it maybe right now. Okay, maybe we won't lose the cops today. Yeah. Hey, behave cops. See you later. What a stunt that is. Catch me, try catch.
Destruction.
Click away now if you're old. Oh yeah. Let's go find a mission here. What's this? What the hell? Okay. I guess I'll see you guys when I get a mission. See you later. I think we found a mission. This gives us a hell of a lot of money. So, compared to the others, so I guess we'll do this one. I'm not sure if I can do it. This is going to be hard, I think. No shifting, no abilities. Get on. Okay. Go away, cops. Why are they on me? Stop on my knees. Stop it. Okay. I don't think we can do this, guys. No, it's like, seriously.
I don't think we can do this, guys. No, it's like, seriously.
It's harder than I thought. Why are there so much cops? No, God, stop it. Just stop. Oh, I don't like these cops in this game. If I'm swearing to cops right now, I'm sorry. It's a game, okay? Just raging, okay? Stop it! Go away! Go away! Stop it! Okay, I might actually rage with these. Oh my God! Stop it! Go away! Go away! Go away! Stop it! Go away! That was close. Did we do it? Yes! We did it! It was actually pretty easy, to be honest. How much money I got? Like $52,000 now. Yeah. It's actually pretty easy. Well, I think we'll be able to do another one. I'm gonna go use I'm gonna go use my GTR. Guess we'll just drive around now. Oh look, haven't had this colour before, I don't think so. I'm gonna hook on him. Hook. Yay! You see how it looks on the outside? Ha, lol. I believe I can get dragged by a tow truck. Let's go to the repair shop. My GTR's damaged. Psych. Boosting time, here we go. Oh, okay, K. Hey, cop. Come on, there we go. Let's go for a cop chase. Come on, slowpokes. Ow, I'm sorry. But you think you can catch up? Oh, okay, K. Told you can't catch up. Haha. Too easy. Going so fast. Did you just have to distract me right then?
Okay.
How is my car not still wrecked? Okay, now it's wrecked. Anyways, I need to go back to the garage. I'll see you guys when I get to the garage. So yeah, bye. Okay, we're here. So I actually have a police car. If you guys want me to be a police and do an episode of me doing like being a police and getting bad guys in just one episode of that, then if you guys want that, then comment down below and just maybe say I want you to do like I want you to be a cop in the next episode. Just say that, or yeah, just say that. And I'll do it. Whatever you guys suggest, I will do it. Anyway, right? So all these cars, so I can afford this one if you guys want me to get it. I can afford this one if you guys want me to get it. I can afford this one, and this one, and this one. And I already got these two. And I can afford this one. I can afford this one. I can afford this one. I 100% cannot afford this one though. I can afford this one. I can afford this one or this one. So yeah. And I can afford this one or this one. And I can afford this one. If you guys want me to get it, then I will do it. Whatever car you guys want me to get, I will get. But not like I can't afford. So I can get this one if you guys want me to. And that's all the cars. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like and see if we can hit 2 likes as I said in the beginning. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.